How to kick someone from your private server on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly kick someone from your private server on Roblox, and they will no longer be able to join unless you want them to. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up roblox.com, log into your account, and then navigate to your private server page. Once you get to your private server, you'll see a list of all the people that are currently in your private server. Select the person that you want to kick from your server, and then all you need to do is select the three dots to the right of their name and select block user. Now, just as an example, so you can see this working in real time, I'm just going to block this person from my private server, confirm I want to block, and you can report them if you want to. And as soon as I do that, they will be disconnected and instantly kicked from the server. They also will not be able to join the server again until you go back to their user profile on Roblox, select the three dots, and then select unblock user. So if you don't want them to join again, don't unblock them. And that's how you kick someone from your private server on Roblox. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.